here at Baar Baar in the East Village, and we're here with Chef Param.
Hi, I'm Chef Paramjit, Executive Chef at Baar Baar right now, and I welcome Yash for a dinner, of course. So Yash, let's grab one of the tables.
Absolutely, thank you. So how long have you guys been open?
I think it's been 8 years now, this November, and yeah, these 8 years been very popular, very busy. We faced COVID in between,
Yes.
but since we are one of the most popular and most flavorable restaurant and menu in the city right now.
Amazing. So what is the inspiration behind the menu at Baar Baar?
So actually the entire inspiration and the homework done by Chef Sujan Sarkar and Rajiv and Payal Sharma, who's the owner of the restaurant. And the idea behind the entire restaurant, Chef Sujan always wanted to put India on the map of a modern gastronomy, where the modern gastronomy, I think he's the only one who started the Indian gastronomy, Indian modern level gastronomy in New York City, and the entire menu is based on the same. We do Indian regional cuisine, but in a very modern way.
Amazing.
Our process and our cooking process are very modernized, very different, more European style of cooking oriented.
Right. More welcoming to every craft.
Yes, that's true.
So along with the modernized Indian menu, we also have a very modern, chic space.
Yeah, that's true. We have one of the most beautiful mural in the city, and the lady itself inspired with the Indian culture, but at the same time she's very modern. The moment you step in the restaurant, you see have a beautiful lounge in there where people can sit and wait for the table, because since this time is very quiet right now because the restaurant is not even started,
Right.
and otherwise this restaurant is very busy, very loud with the music. Sometimes a lot of people are talking, they're chatting with the alcohol program we have. A beautiful cocktail program what we serve here is very unique also, and also it is Indian inspired. Alright, Yash, do you want to order some cocktails? We have a unique menu also.
Yeah, what is
And
your
we just-
favorite?
I think you can start with Sholay or maybe Pushpa.
Sholay or Pushpa?
You see?
Let's do Sholay.
Sholay, alright. You want to read the description?
Yeah, so it's curry leaf,
leaf.
infused white rum, coconut,
Coconut,
passion fruit,
passion fruit.
and prosecco.
Prosecco.
Sounds delicious.
Alright, Yash. Here is your drink, Sholay.
All right,
I'm
cheers.
sure you're going to love it.
Delicious. Passion fruit, prosecco, fizz. So the cocktail program is looking delicious, and
Yeah.
while we're looking at that, I'm noticing the wine bottles by the list is unbelievable. This
Yeah.
is a very large
Large wine
list.
selections, yes, of course.
Very, very different for a large-scale Indian inspired modern gastro bar.
And I think 4 years before when we started, you helped us
Yes.
to select the wines and collect the
Yes,
selection.
we did some good work here. First restaurant to introduce the combination of orange wines and Indian food.
Alright, Yash, I'm gonna take you to the kitchen where we create all the magic.
Unbelievable. Let's check it out.
So this is our heaven, we create magic all the time, and I'm sure I'm gonna let you taste and let you record some of the action which is happening in the kitchen right now.
Amazing. Super excited.
So this is butter chicken, one of our most popular dish. The chicken is right here. If you see, it's getting hot. The chicken tikka and our special makhani sauce are gonna mix together, and we make butter chicken out of it.
Listen up everybody, the 40 for 6 or 9 we have pani puri, cauliflower cauliflower and multi chicken tikka. With that,
So what are we gonna have today, chef?
So see, since we have two varieties of menu, which is very a Baar Baar classical, which is very modern Indian. At the same time, we have a very classical Indian menu, which is from the regional cuisine of India and Punjab.
Very
So you say you wanna start with
So the popular dishes, I guess, would be the dahi puri.
dahi puri, yes, of course. Yeah.
And then if you want to offset that by putting a golgappa, and then we can kind of talk about the difference between the two.
Okay, yeah,
right?
sure. So
one is more traditional, one is
Five
more
shot.
modernized.
So can I have
Dolo.
2 pieces of dahi puri and 2 pieces of pani puri shots? Yes, 2 pieces. So let me explain, Yash. So you witnessed 2 dishes. if you see traditionally, you know Indian cuisine,
Yes.
right? If you see this pani puri, they all look very traditional
Right.
with the flavors. But if
Right.
you see at the same time the pani puri, the dahi puri, it is made with yogurt mousse
Right.
and served over a black rice. So it looks a little modern, right? So you have two options to have it, one with the water and one with the yogurt.
Amazing. Which one would you start with?
I think you will start with this.
It's refreshing, palate cleansing, tasty.
Very tasty. Cool. I think this is the second part what you can try with water.
Right.
And the water is done with tamarind and mint together.
So now
Stuffed
we're
with chickpeas, real chickpeas and potatoes.
going back in time.
Yeah, back in time, of course. Like timeless Indian.
So very different. This is more spicy and it has sourness to it and a little rustic and earthy.
So that's how the entire menu is designed. One with a very modernized presentation with a
Right.
very unique local flavors.
This is a chicken and jalapeno kulcha. It's like a stuffed naan, stuffed with chicken, cooked with shishito pepper on top with some manchego cheese. Enjoy.
Cut this up. Fluffy, flaky, crispy, flavorful.
So this is a kofta, vegetable kofta, and on the side there is a garlic naan. So this kofta is basically a vegetarian version of a meatball, and it has a Banarasi dum ki sauce. The sauce is basically yogurt, Indian herbs and spices blended together, and then our chefs makes a delicious sauce out of it. And then the kofta is basically a vegetarian version of meatball, and this has potatoes, green peas, carrots, all cooked together again, and then we make it like a meatball, and then we fry it with a panko batter. Enjoy.
The flavors, authentic, home style, balance, and just an all. Well, thank you to the whole Baar Baar team, Chef Sujan, Chef Param, Payal, Rajiv, Paul, Dimitri. Drinks, food was amazing. Mixologist Sai Kiran, wonderful job, and couldn't be more excited for where things are headed with Baar Baar. I came and ate here 8 years back on the third day that they were open, and to have seen it progress through the years and still maintain the top end innovation, quality, and deliciousness all together. And this is Yash from Flavors of New York. See you next time.